Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to move a text box in Canva, step by step. Whether you're creating content for social media, personal projects, or professional designs, mastering this simple trick will make your workflow much smoother. First, open your Canva project. If you haven't started one yet, now's the perfect time to create your design. Once you have your design ready and a text box added, locate the text box on your canvas. It should be easy to spot since it displays your chosen style and text. To move it, simply click on the text box. You'll see an outline appear around it, which means it's selected. Now, click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the text box to any location you want on the canvas. It's that simple. Release the mouse, and your text box will stay perfectly in place. A quick tip, make sure the entire text box is selected, not just the text inside. Otherwise, you might end up editing the text instead of moving it. For even finer control, you can use your arrow keys to nudge the text box pixel by pixel, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned. Canva also provides helpful alignment guides to snap your text box in line with other elements, keeping your design neat and professional. With these simple steps, select, drag, and drop, you'll be moving and adjusting text boxes in Canva like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Don't forget to try these tips in your next project and make your Canva workflow faster and smoother.